Do you know there are YouTube channels that are making 30 to 40,000 per month without making actual videos? By actual videos, I mean they do not script their videos, they do not do fancy recording or anything. All they do is just download some images from Google, put some text on it, and slap a background music on it, and then they just post. I like to call these kind of channels as the lazy YouTuber method. I don't mean in a disrespectful way. Actually, this is a very smart way. In fact, they are making more money than me. Let me show you this channel. This channel name is TMK Tech. If you go to his videos, you will see all he does is post comparison videos between two or more mobiles. These videos are very easy to make. Let me just play this one. You can see all he has done is comparing four mobile phones. He has downloaded images from Google, placed them one by one another, and put the name of the phones below it. And now he's showing the displays, comparing the display. Okay, now he's comparing the refresh rate, display protection, sampling rate. Likewise, he's only comparing the different features of the phone. All he has done is downloaded a single image and then he's just slapping little text on it. These kind of videos are very easy to make. You can just simply go on Canva, download images from Google, maybe remove a background if you want to remove the background, take a clean background, just slap some text and create these videos. Now you might be saying that YouTube would not monetize these videos. Now let me change your mind a little bit. This is the channel address I'm copying and I'm going to this site. This website lets you know if the channel is monetized or not and if the channel owner is receiving any AdSense or not. There's another kind of a YouTuber I will show you in a bit. This is the first kind, TMK Tech. Ads are active, verified 70%, region not mentioned, category he has mentioned the wrong category, entertainment. There are 3,000 videos. You can see ads are active. So the potential revenue is 920 or something. On view stats, you can see he's getting around 600k views per month on the long videos. So he could be earning at least $300. That is close to 24,000 rupees. These kind of videos are very easy to make. He's posting at least 4 to 5 videos in a single day. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these videos are uploaded within 24 hours. He's not just making money from AdSense. If you click the video, you can see product links are mentioned here. Channels that are under YouTube's partner program, they are allowed to tag Flipkart products if they are mentioned in the video. So since he's comparing Motorola Edge 60 Pro and Realme GT7, he has tagged this mobile, the other mobile and their accessories as well. So imagine if he has got only 82 views on this video. If at least 3 people go on the link and buy a mobile phone, he could be earning a commission of at least 500 to 1000 rupees for each transaction. And since it is a tech channel, it is very likely that he is making more money on CPM. Another kind of YouTuber that I want to talk about is KannuTalk. She's also a very smart YouTuber. She has posted over 23,000 videos, probably highest videos by a single YouTuber, and she's posting a video every hour. You can see the video title, How to Hide Photos from Video Gallery on Oppo F29 5G. Now she's mentioning different models in every video, but it is not very tough. If you have a phone of a particular brand and you have updated the OS, most likely the same operating system is used in all other models of the same brand. So what you can do is just create single video and post it as a video for multiple models. Let's see how to reset privacy password, how to use split screen, how to change system UI color design, how to sign in Oppo account, how to apply free theme Oppo, etc. etc. So it is very easy to make these kind of videos. All you have to do is record it with another phone. Make sure to record it horizontally so that if the video is shorter than 3 minutes, it still gets in the long videos and you can make good money from AdSense. Because on the short videos, the AdSense is quite low. And similarly, you can also tag the products here in this video. If she's mentioning a Oppo F29 5G phone, she can tag that product and the related accessories of that product as well from Flipkart. And if you're not part of the Flipkart program, if you're not monetized also, you can still use Amazon links and put those links and earn commission through this video. So if you are stuck wondering what kind of videos to make and your sole purpose of YouTubing is to make only money, then this kind of videos could be your thing. Just go on Google, search for comparison of videos. He is doing only mobile phones. You can do laptops, other accessories, watches, earphones, etc. etc. and just create simple videos, put some music behind it. If you have better video editing skills, maybe you can put some transitions and sound effects as well. Don't just be lazy, be a lazy YouTuber. Start creating videos and make some money on the side.